Hey guys, quick market recap in a volatile week. First, the market's fine. It's absolutely fine, and we're bullish. It's headed much, much higher. People are naysayers out there saying the market's going lower. It's not, it's going higher. That said, we've been clear about this. We want to go back and test the lows of Friday. We've been saying that for a while, since Friday. We just don't have enough volume to get up and out of here. And you can see today we rejected it finally on greater volume. I have this line in here because typically, sometimes stocks or indices will go back and retest where the breakout was and then fail. And that seems to be what we're looking at here, which is why I have that line in there. Not only could we not take out the highs, but we're failing right here. That just says the probability is coming back and retesting these highs, or lows rather, hopefully spiking them and setting up a bullish trend from there. And this is nothing, right? This is absolutely nothing. Same setup in the Qs. So you want to look macro first in the Qs and SPYs. We come off today on volume, spiked it, come off today on volume. So again, just sideways chop action, which is one of the reasons why you don't really want to trade too much when you're inside the highs and lows of a range. It's just sideways chop, right? A lot of people get eaten up. And the only thing that's new is IWN, the small caps, Russell 2000 broke out, and it has come back inside now and is within the range of Friday's highs and lows. So you have harmony across all three indices. So look at some stocks. AMD projected price target is 294. It broke out on volume and is holding above the range. You can see all the volume here, and today was just lighter volume. This is hanging out. We actually got stopped out today. We were long TSM after earnings, and it came back down on volume. This is a negative print. When it breaks and holds this high right here, on volume, the 307.30, the projected price move is 365. That's a nice move. But when you see this massive candle rejecting that high, that's not what you want to see. Technically, it could come back here and retest this low. There's nothing wrong with it. It's fine. And it's still probably bullish, great numbers, but it's not something I want to hold. I don't want to go through the pain of going up back here to 280. I'm not saying it'll go down to 280. I'm just saying it can. So we're out of it. Everything else is fine, right? Nvidia hanging in there. Just hanging out. Tesla hanging in there. Apple hanging in there. This market is bullish, and these leaders are ready to take off. Meta still hanging in there. Remember, we're waiting for the highs to take out, and we're just chopping sideways for the last week and a half. Amazon, same way. We're waiting for those highs, and it looks better on the weekly. You can kind of see the bigger picture. The weekly, we've been kind of looking for it right here. We're near the highs, just kind of grinding, going nowhere, right? Google the same way. We're up here and just kind of sitting there hanging out, ready to go. Palantir the same way, although the breakout hasn't happened yet. We want this to take out, the next swing point we want this to take out is the 190, and it actually be this candle right here, the 190, but this is higher price target. So the 190 takes you to, I think it's 266, but I forget. I haven't looked at it. We don't look at it until the alert triggers. So, but anyway, the macro point is the market's fine, right? So in the short term, expect a retest of these lows, meaning just the Friday lows. We need to retest this, and that's what the market's trying to do, and this expansion of volume tells you that that's likely to happen. Hope that helps. Have a good evening.